The 10 most misleading words. Finger versus toe.
Fingers are on hand, toes are on foot.
I felt pain in my toe after kicking the football. I use my fingers to play carom.
Air versus wind.
Air is what we breathe. Wind is what moves the leaves of trees.
I suffered from a deficiency of air in the enclosed room. The heavy wind is dangerous during a journey by boat.
Customer versus client.
Customer at a shop, client of a lawyer, bank, etc.
The shopkeeper is dealing smartly with his customers. Freelancers can lose their clients if they don't communicate well.
Center versus middle.
Center, the point, is equidistant from the edge of a circle. Middle, the area, is equidistant from the sides.
I kept my table in the center of my room. We should not walk along the middle of a road.
Scene versus scenery.
Scene refers to a particular place. Scenery refers to the general appearance of a country.
I love the scene of my school compound. The scenery of Bangladesh is green. Thanks for watching. Follow and subscribe for more videos.